Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. So we have a deal here to get some free dental care over at Walgreens. So it is the Super Floss. So if you have braces or partials, this is the floss. Special shout out to Instagrammer Natty Lopez. This is where I first saw the deal, so credit to her. So specifically for the first deal, we're going to be grabbing 3 of these. And as you can see, they're $3 on the nose. Unfortunately, we do not have any coupons to go with, but still a very smart deal here. So what we're going to do, guys, is grab 3 of these boxes for exactly $9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. That's how I'm getting the math. Once you pay that, you're going to get back, it's double dipping, which means 2 register rewards are printing for this promotion. So you're getting both a $4 and a $5 register reward, making this free. And I saw many people yesterday show this on Instagram and the different social media sites saying, oh my gosh, look. So what a great deal. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. If you did the dental care deal earlier in the week and got a $5 register reward, and if you're going to roll 1 to the second, you can't because a second register reward will not print. But say you were doing like the Angel Soft deal and you wanted to use that $3 register reward or the Tide $6 one, yes, you can use those. Hopefully that is crystal clear. Okay, so the Super Floss might be kind of a tall order to find. So what Natty did was she grabbed 2 of them along with 1 brush. And if you look, the toothbrush has a $2 off 1 digital coupon, so you can pair that with this deal. So what she specifically did was grab 2 of the flosses and then 1 toothbrush, and it worked. So looking at the math for this one, grabbing 2 of the Super Flosses for $6, 1 brush, that is $9. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $7 out of pocket, getting back a $4 and a $5 register reward, making this free plus a $2 money maker. And again, if you wanted to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, or if you had register rewards that were not like a $5 for P&G, yes, you can use them. So just pay attention to that. But let's just say that you did the Crest deal earlier in the week and you had that $5 register reward, and if you wanted to use it again, a second one will not print. Walgreens is a casino that does not like to lose, so typically register rewards do not roll. Rolling means you can use it from one transaction to another and they keep printing, so nope. Okay, so before I take off, guys, I want to talk really quickly about Bath & Body Works Candle Day. So Bath & Body Works does this really weird thing, and you'd think that 2 or 3 years later, they would have this figured out that everybody could use the app. Currently, the app is only available, I think, in I'm going to be generous here and say 20 states. And I know where I'm living, I can access the app, but I can't really see the deals because I'm not in that region. And they use like GPS. So say you're in Columbus, Ohio, you can see whatever's going on. But like up in the middle of nowhere, Michigan, nope. But I have been seeing people post from the app in these regions. And apparently $10.25 will be the price either later online or, like as we discussed, midnight or 6 a.m. But for a lot of these people in the app, I think it might be tonight. So if you have the Bath & Body Works app, you might want to check that out. Now, something kind of bizarre happened. A lot of you were reporting in yesterday's video that the Fetch Rewards gift card for Bath & Body Works was no more. But it was there on the 30th of November because I did get 1 gift card because I'm like, I really want to get some stuff organized, because Fetch sometimes has like a little holding pattern of 1 to 3 days to process a gift card. So I did not want to have to chance or wait that. So I got it earlier in the week, as I suggested. But Bath & Body Works is now gone. So the way around this, guys, is to get a Visa gift card and then to go to Bath & Body Works website and to order a $25 or $50 gift card. And that takes about 24 hours as well. So you're really going to have to hop to this if you're going to use Fetch, but there is a way around it. Is this frustrating? Yes, but you'd have to get organized like right now, because sometimes those Bath & Body Works through the website, it takes up to 24 hours. Even if you're going to do it with some PayPal money, it takes up to 24 hours for them to process a digital gift card, which makes no sense, but that's how they roll. Alternatively, you have IBOTTA, and they still have the Bath & Body Works gift cards. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!